see a different brand. Different brand. Into see I can say yes, say what do kama wash our buy a neat, she said different. No one yan fan say skincare products be an asset skincare brand be on betray good. Almost see chat nude pictures and a video for more for huge sum of money. Obaya and I say Obeka oh to see my convert Sanya man day. Me some name support Sanya mano.
Huge sum of amounts.
Yes.
Me naked
Naked. Obeshe be some brazier be pants kit will be to say first no.
Oh, there be any mean. They won't see me in brazier and pants again. No, it won't happen again.
On your beam.
Brazier and pants, dear, no, I won't do it.
Because of something was
Something chemisa, and I don't believe in nudity.
Beam.
And that is nudity. And that wasn't me. Whatever I was doing, that wasn't me. The real me, no. Even aside social media, you will never see me out there exposing myself.
Okay.
Say, previously, music video, I don't say me share pants ni brazier. And now swimming wear. My music videos, baby, my music video, my samba, minister, my family job, many legendary Asamoah and Castro, baby jet. My music video, baby, but there's none of the music video you watch me in a Michelle pants ni brazier, and I'm in no. So that wasn't me. Me now for baby Rebecca, one I'm in your son. Say contract, music video, banner contract ni ye be share bikini ni nyama ndabi. Tell me Nyababa measure slacks and I share short tube. I will do it. And I say be a nika. Yabeshe nika. Ni share singlet top here by na share long boots. I will do it. But say there's no video, music video I've done me expose me. That wasn't me. It was just that I wanted the attention so that I can get money to feed myself because I've been through a lot. You can't lie far. I've been through life, and it has not been my parents. My parents are not rich. They are in the village. They are also suffering. I'm not from a rich home, so me too, I have to struggle to survive. And I won't go and steal or sleep with people's husbands. Because sometimes I sit down and I feel like, so me worry, and I say, me couldn't yes,